Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 15th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar and you haven't looked at today's item, you may want to pause the video. I'm about to open up the window. I'll find number 15, and it's a long and narrow box today. I'll flip open that first part. You can see a fun geometric pattern on the one side. I'll remove the paper wrapper, and it looks like we have another embossing folder. I'll use my piercing tool to pop it out of the box. The mini embossing folders in the Advent calendar are so fun, perfect for adding just that little bit of texture to your project. The embossing folder is just under 2 by 6 inches. It has this fun double chain design. The design is similar to one of the dies we received earlier on in the month, but it's not the exact same design. So let's go ahead and make a card using the new embossing folder. I will be using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Cards TV. It's sketch number 13. I've already gone ahead and embossed some cardstock. This is a lovely teal color. One side of the cardstock has a pearlescent finish and the back side is a slightly darker teal color without the pearlescent finish. The pattern paper I'm using is from Doodlebug Designs' Hello Again collection. For the background of my card, using this fun, colorful, small floral pattern paper, I didn't have a full sheet, but since I'm covering up a section, I was able to use 2 of the scrap pieces for the background. I layered the floral paper on some teal cardstock. For a little bit of shine, I'm adding a Love from Lizi peel-off along the edge of the emboss panel. This is the teal mirror color in the pinstripe style, and I'm using the narrowest width. I'll use a craft knife to cut the very end of the peel-off, that way it's even with the emboss panel. Now I'll flip this over, put ATG tape on the back, and add my card front onto a card base. This is an American Standard A2 size card. 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. For the 2 small squares, I have 2 more pattern papers, a lovely rainbow butterfly and a light peach tone-on-tone floral pattern. This is actually the same pattern paper. I'm using the front and back side. I'll layer both of them on the same teal cardstock. The butterfly square will go down first, then the light peach floral will go on top. And I'll adhere both of the squares using Barely Art glue. I've already stamped out the sentiment, have an amazing day, and this was a stamp set from a previous day of the Advent calendar. I'm also adding a floral die cut, and this die set was another previous Advent calendar item. While I'm making the cards throughout the month, I like to bring in some of the previous day items for my cards. I've already assembled the flower. I used 2 different teal cardstock colors for the flower, yellow for the very center, and green for the leaves. After adhering the flower, I'll add the sentiment underneath. On the card sketch, there are 3 small circles in the upper right-hand corner. I cut these out from some teal cardstock, and the die I use is the center die for the flower. I thought it would be perfect as an embellishment with the fun etch detail all along the outside. So there is my finished card using the December 15th item in Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I do have links in the description box for any products that are still available. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 16th reveal and a card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.